this unit, you will have an exam where you have to summarize texts in a paragraph, which requires different academic skills that you will also need in your faculty. But before you write a paragraph, the focus will be on writing sentences. Here's what you are going to learn in this pre-class video. How to transform your notes into sentences, what run-on sentences are, how to avoid run-on sentences using conjunctions, and how to avoid them using punctuation. After watching this video and attending the next class, you should be able to write more accurately and write with more variety. For example, I've read a text about smartphones and have this note. Now look at the sentence and look at what words have been added. Most of the words that have been added are not important words like nouns and verbs, but more grammatical or non-essential words like articles, prepositions, possessives, the verb be, and auxiliary verbs. So when you transform notes into sentences, think carefully about the non-essential grammatical words you need to add. Okay, what run-on sentences are? A common problem for students when they write are run-on sentences. So what is a run-on sentence? Run-on sentences contain two ideas which are not clearly separated. For example, the professor read the paper, he said it was excellent. There are two complete ideas. Idea 1, the professor read the paper. Idea 2, he said it was excellent. There is no punctuation or conjunctions to separate the ideas. Therefore, this is a run-on sentence and is not correct. Only using a comma does not separate the two complete ideas and is not correct. The professor read the paper, he said it was excellent. How to avoid run-on sentences. You can join the two ideas together with a conjunction. Two complete ideas with conjunctions are called compound sentences. You can make compound sentences with conjunctions such as and, but, so, and because. Okay, avoiding run-on sentences with punctuation. For example, you can have two simple sentences with a full stop. Even better, if the sentences are closely connected and are on the same topic, you can use a semicolon. The subject of both ideas are the same, the professor, and they are both about the paper, so a semicolon can be used. Also notice the small h in he. This is because when we use a semicolon, this is not two sentences, this is only one sentence. So to review, remember to add non-essential words when making your notes into sentences. Run-on sentences are two complete ideas which are not separated. Avoid run-on sentences by using conjunctions to make compound sentences, or use punctuation such as full stops and semicolons. Remember, a comma does not separate two complete ideas. If you use a mixture of conjunctions and punctuation, it will help you to write more accurately and with more variety.